Hey, man. You Adam?
Yes, sir.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good, man. How are you doing?
Good.
Yeah, so I've had this since I was 19, and I paid a lot of money to have the paint redone about 20 some years ago.
Yeah.
And I had it in storage, and a shelving unit fell on it. My buddy here just did this while it was in the shop. This just right here.
Yeah.
You can see a little dent there.
Okay.
So there's that. And the hood is again, I'm getting it detailed and paint corrected. That's a high spot, obviously, where the hood fell, and there's a tool in there, and it popped up.
Yeah, I mean...
And there's this here.
Somebody tried to push that up already.
I trust you. I know you're really good at what you do. And then this here and this here is from the shelving unit. This is from a little kid with a baseball that threw a baseball through a window and just barely, just itty bitty little dimple.
Yeah.
But you're the best, and just do the best you can if you don't mind. I mean, I have to get it flat so they can do whatever they have to do to the paint, basically. I'd rather not have Bondo in it, you know. So
you are going to repaint the car?
I'm sorry?
You're going to repaint it?
I'm going to try not to. I'm going to try to have them paint corrected if they can. I might do some of the work myself.
Yeah.
They said they're like 6 months out. So whatever, I trust you. I trust you. I mean, you're going to do the best you can.
I really try to shy away from older cars because this paint's so dry. I mean, it's just not, doesn't have that, it's going to crack. I mean, if I start pushing on it, it's 100% going to crack. I can just for these little small hits where it spidered that paint up.
Yeah.
So I'm going to tap it back down. It's going to finish kind of spidering that paint out. Then I got to push it back up because I had to.
That's fine. I understand. I mean, I don't want a big old dent in my hood, though. I'd rather have it flat. You know what I mean? You think I'm better off just leaving that? It'd drive me nuts.
I don't know.
You try to play with it?
I like for you to have a game plan, because this is not, I really shy away from older cars because the paint's old.
I understand. I respect that. Yeah. My game plan is to...
It's not unfixable. It's just, if this car were a newer car, none of this is the issue. Knock it out.
Right.
I wouldn't even blink twice.
Right.
Older car, I don't know. Like I said, I hate for you to go, gosh, damn, my paint's all cracked up, because it's going to crack up. Like, there's no way around it. I mean, I can just look at this paint and tell you right now it's going to crack. We start pushing, it's going to crack. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, I hope.
But if it's like, hey, it's game time, I'm gonna paint this car, let's push these up, and it's going to the paint shop.
Well,
that's where I would be like, okay, because I don't want you riding around going, damn, man, this is...
No, I understand. The hood, I'm just gonna do the best I can. My game plan is to have you do it the best, to make it flat, and I pay the consequences, essentially. And I'm hopeful that this door will not do what you think it will. I understand. I think the hood will. I don't disagree with you. I hope this will surprise you, because
I'll try it.
It's 3 coats of clear. It's all scratched up, needs to be buffed.
Yeah.
It's so scratched because it's got such a thick coat of clear. Yeah. It's been sitting outside. You can see like acid rain. There's overspray on it. It just, next step I go is going to be detail, and I did not want to detail it until you did the dents, so.
All right.
Are you okay with me hanging out near you?
Fine, okay. Fine. Just,
okay. And I'm sorry.
Pull around that side gate over there.
Okay.
And I'll let you. Trust me, this one's got my anxiety through the roof right now.
Oh, okay, I'll leave you alone.
No, it's all good. I'm
sorry.
I can't believe this thing's held on. I mean, I
I believe in you, man. I believe in you, brother. I do.
It is, I mean, like I said, this paint, just being this old, I can't believe it's actually still hanging on as well as it is. I am.
The painter not that it matters, but the painter that painted this car is in magazines up in New York. He's really good.
Just,
yeah, like he'd be really upset with me if he knew I didn't take better care of the clear coat, but
I mean, he had been awesome because I just can't. I mean, I'm just like
yeah.
this
I gotcha.
normally would be a nightmare.
A train wreck, yeah.
I mean,
Well, thanks for taking it down and believing in it, man. You don't know how much it means to me. It really does.
I understand. I'm glad I can help you. I'm just like, I just didn't want you to be highly disappointed.
No.
This is just.
I appreciate that.
I cannot believe. I mean, like I said, I'm just like, I'm in shock right now.
Right.
I'm just waiting for something bad to happen, you know? Like,
Yeah, it's better to under-promise and over-deliver, and I get that too.
I'm just like, ugh. Like,
Yeah.
remembered which BMW you were thinking about.
Yeah, I just pulled it up actually.
The 8 Series?
Is that the 8 Series?
Yes.
Okay.
Because that was the only one that had pop-up headlights.
Okay. Yeah.
Super nice. Yeah. I was thinking about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. struts.
Yeah, good idea. Yeah. Yep. These were hot back in the day. When it just originally came in these, I remember, you know, the RX-7s were hot. They had the rotary engines, and what was in here?
It was a straight six, just kind of like what's in there now, but they had Lotus help them. They were hot to try to beat Corvette. That's who they were up against, and they asked Lotus to help them out. Lotus basically took a fairly reliable engine and made it completely unreliable, and they got more horsepower out of it, but
Right.
they paid the price. So they were known for bad head gaskets. Toyota originally torqued the head to 65 pounds of pressure. It just wasn't enough. So
Yeah.
usually about around 80,000, you blow a head gasket. The turbos were at the time, I think, 320 horsepower, which is pretty good back then. But
Right.
they just weren't reliable, really. If you do a lot of work to them, you can make them
Oh, yeah.
1,000 horsepower engines, but you're probably dumping 20 grand and, you know, hundreds of hours into it, you know?
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I mean, I got friends. I mean, you know, we got a couple friends. One of the guys used to work here had 2JZ, and it's hot. I mean, he's
Just
putting money
can't-
in it.
There's just some tight engines you just can't beat. And,
Yeah.
That's apparently one of them. At least that's what they say. So. How bad of a horse? Yeah, I was gonna say, if you see anything else, let me know. Cause
Yeah, I mean, I know myself.
oh, I see that now. Wow. I just put that thing on there too. Damn it. I believe in you, man. I believe in you, brother. I do.
It is,
Uh-huh.
I mean, like I said, this paint, you know, just being this old, I can't believe it's actually still hanging on as well as it is. I am.
The painter that. Just asked him for a ratchet, so.
Oh, it's all good. I mean, I've got a ratchet. I just don't. just
Oh,
didn't have a torque
the
bit.
10
I thought there was
millimeter?
a torque bit, yeah.
Okay.
So I got in here. It's no big deal.
You think you got it? Okay.
Should be fine.
Yes, I see it. What neck of the woods do you live at?
I live out in Oakland.
Busy, or more than busier than you want to be?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's just me. So yeah, it's got so much going on right now. It's,
I'm sorry, had I known, man, all that stuff happened. I was going through a lot, and I'm like, I'm gonna try to push it out myself on that
it's
one
all
there.
good.
And I wish I hadn't, man. I know it's the cardinal sin.
It makes it a lot harder for
Yeah,
sure.
I would definitely messed you up.
Yeah, that's all right.
I take that.
It's all good.
get dents out of anything.
Yeah, I mean,
I did it twice, and the guy yelled at me so bad. He said, "This is going to cost you twice what had you not touched it." So
it's like, really, it does, because what happens is you panic, you start shoving that metal up, so you stretch it out versus like just bringing it up nice and level and blending it out.
Right.
It shoved it all up and like it just wadded it up. You know?
Sure. Yep.
But you see it with a lot of fresh guys that don't know if they're like these dick guys that call themselves dick guys running around town.
Yeah.
You'll see them wad dents up because they panic. They're like, oh my God, I gotta get this dent up. But you don't. You gotta get the dent out. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Not up. Just,
I do. Get it.
And they panic and they start just pushing real hard and.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I've had a few customers come to me like, can you fix this? I took it over to another shop. I was like, yeah, they freaked out right there. Like,
right. And now I see another little itty bitty one right down here because I'm sitting down there. You see it right here?
Yeah.
It's tiny.
All right.
Man, I didn't notice it until I was sitting here. Did the fender come out pretty good?
Yeah, it's fine.
You got it all ready?
Yeah.
Dang, damn. All right. I'll put the screw back in.
Right.
One less thing I gotta lose. I'm psyched you told me that Snap-on sells it still. That's cool.
Yeah, it just happened to go on the truck. Like I said, I don't know where my other ratcheting screwdriver went. It must have fell out of my bag in a parking lot or something.
Yeah.
I was like, well, crap. So I ran on the truck yesterday and picked that up.
Yep. I don't even want to know how much.
Yeah. $80 for
Oh
me.
my god.
But I needed it.
Yeah.
I thought it had torques in there. Opened it up, I was like, damn, no torques. So I was
Are
like,
you
I'm
kidding me? It used to. I don't need it after all. I'm so
shit.
sorry.
No,
So
you're fine.
sorry.
Just saw it.
Yeah, no, man, I appreciate it. He was able to get them out. So we got looking at it and we're like, oh my gosh, there's dents in this. So he helped me out once again.
Nice.
So much appreciated. I'm sorry I didn't get in touch with you sooner. I can't stand how wasteful we are as humans.
yeah.
It's my pet peeve. Hence why I have a 30-year-old car. And
I mean, I've got. There's a few cars I've saved. Yes.
From the future.
Yeah, like I said, I gotta go fix this truck. And I don't know. I saw this 06 Hummer H2 sitting on the back lot. I don't know. It's probably a year ago. I was like, dang it, I can't let this thing go to waste.
Right?
I was like,
Yes. Yeah.
it had good bones.
Right.
So I had to rebuild transmission, rebuild the motor in it.
Oh yeah.
It was.
If I didn't see that, it would have killed me. How does that thing even work? I'm sorry, I'm even asking you. But you can actually see the line. I see.
Mhm.
And you can see it kind of.
You want to work the dent the way it's kind of way it
Okay.
vertical, horizontal.
Okay.
This one's kind of
That's cool.
stuff I don't even think about anymore. I just do it.
I hear. Yeah. I'm just curious more than anything. I never want to get into doing it, so don't.
I didn't either. I didn't want to do it either.
I'm glad there are people like you because this would have to go in a paint booth, undoubtedly.
Yeah.
And I hate to do that with, like you said, this finish. I don't know if I could recreate it.
I don't either. Like I am like I said, I couldn't believe the paint's held up as well as it has. It's just a miracle. Like.
Thanks for working your magic on the
No
hood. I
problem.
know that it's a different story. That's
it's
because
all
of my
good.
triple head. I'll go with a carbon fiber or something and have it painted. I don't know. We'll see. But
Nothing wrong with that hood. You can repaint that hood. And
Yeah.
you know, I don't know. Like, I mean, I know what you're saying. It's like
Yep.
there are options. I mean, it's like, but
Yeah. Man. Jeez. Yeah, that one was a jack handle. But he thought I'd save some time with you know,
Yeah.
jacking up his trailer and scooching it around. So I probably got to get paint work on that for sure. But paint guy said if it's straight, we'll try to color correct and try to avoid painting it and touch it up, you know. I love the hood, man. I really, from here, I don't even see it. It's
Good.
man. Bye.